Bro, in today's video, we're going to talk about a full body workout, meaning a workout you can do right at home that trains every muscle of your body one by one and can make your whole body muscular. So I won't waste any time. Let's get straight into our exercises. But remember one important thing. Before doing the exercises, warming up is very important. Only then your body will heat up properly and you'll be able to perform the exercises correctly. For warm-up, you can do spot running or you can do jumping jacks, which will warm up your body a little. If you do this for 1 to 2 minutes, that's enough. After that, our first exercise will be for our legs. When you train your legs, your testosterone boosts, and that's when your muscles can build. What exercise will we do? We'll do forward lunges, which you'll perform like this. You can do forward lunges, and you must do at least 20 to 25 repetitions. And if you want to push yourself a bit more, then you can take a bag on your back, put something heavy inside the bag, and do the lunges like that. This is a very good exercise for your legs. Make sure you do 20 to 25 repetitions. Next, I'll talk about the second exercise, where we'll train our chest muscles and also our triceps. To train your chest muscles, remember one thing. When you do push-ups, you must do pause push-ups. How to do pause push-ups? When you go down, come down very slowly and pause for 1 to 2 seconds. Then push all the way up. This will keep your chest muscles fully squeezed, and that's how your muscle will grow properly. Along with that, we'll do tricep exercise that will make your arm muscles thicker. Which exercise will we do? We'll do diamond push-ups. Bring your hands close together like this and do your push-ups. If you're a beginner and just starting, do 5 to 10 reps. But if you've been working out for a while, then do 25 reps of the chest pause push-ups and also 25 reps of the diamond push-ups. Next exercise will directly train our abs. We'll do bicycle crunches. This is how bicycle crunches are done. Doing this will train your abs muscles and core muscles. And if you have belly fat, that will also reduce. Meaning with this exercise, you'll be able to gain visible abs. Remember to do 20 to 25 repetitions. Only then it will work properly. Next body part is our biceps. Everyone likes big biceps. How will we train biceps at home? You can take anything that is slightly heavy. You can take a bag, or the best thing is a water bottle. Fill it with water, and you can use it easily to exercise. Remember one thing, when it comes to building biceps, we'll take a slight pause as well when you bring your hand up. Stop for a moment, a slight pause. When bringing your hand down, bring it down slowly. This helps the muscle contract more and then relax fully, which increases muscle growth faster. Do at least 20 to 25 repetitions. And if you feel low stamina, low energy, always tired, or can't work out for long, then I'll suggest Shilajit because it's very powerful and many scientific studies have proven that if we use Shilajit regularly for 3 months, our testosterone increases by 20 to 25%. But since Shilajit is a high-demand supplement, every brand in the market claims theirs is organic. But that's not true. If you want original Shilajit, you must buy lab-tested Shilajit, like Shea Shilajit Gold Resin, which is pure Himalayan Shilajit mixed with 24-karat gold. It's 100% Ayurvedic with a high-potency formulation. In every packet, you'll get guaranteed more than 60% fulvic acid, which you can also confirm using the lab report provided on the box.
Normally, other brands mix many ingredients with gold Shilajit, which reduces quality. But in Shisha's Shilajit Gold Resin, you'll get only pure Himalayan Shilajit and 24-karat gold. No other ingredients are mixed. Its formula boosts testosterone, increases strength and stamina, improves muscle recovery, and because it has anti-aging properties, it helps keep you young. Take a pea-sized amount of this Shilajit with warm water or milk, either after breakfast in the morning or before going to sleep at night.
Next body part is our back muscles. Back is a big muscle group. If you train it properly, your back will look wider and your overall body will look broader.
Which exercise will we do for back? You can go under any bench or under any bed and perform this exercise like this. This is a great exercise, and even if you can't do pull-ups, doing this slowly will strengthen your back muscles, and later you'll be able to do pull-ups easily. Do 20 to 25 repetitions. Next exercise will be for abs again, and also will train leg muscles. You'll go under any sofa or anything where you can hook your feet and perform the exercise like this. This is a balancing exercise. It trains both your leg muscles and your abs muscles.
Next body part, shoulders. If your shoulders are wide, your body looks wide and you look muscular. Which exercise will we do? We'll do pike push-ups. I've shown this before. Pike push-ups are done like this. It's a very good exercise for shoulders. Along with that, the water bottle we used for biceps, now we'll use that for lateral delts. Do lateral raises with the water bottles. You can also do front raises or rear delt exercises for the back shoulder. Doing these exercises will make your shoulders much wider. Remember one thing. When exercising at home, try to do higher repetitions, around 20 to 25 reps. If you're a beginner and exercising for the first time, start with 10 to 12 reps. Gradually increase the reps over time. That's how your muscles will grow steadily. All the exercises I told you today are a complete full body workout, very good for training your entire body.
Also remember, if you do full body workout today, don't do it again tomorrow. Give at least 1 day gap. That way your muscles will get time to relax and repair, and muscle growth will happen faster. This was today's video. If you liked it, join our healthy family. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end.